Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will solve the problem of automatically restart. So let's start. Firstly, click on the search bar and type Control Panel and then open it. After that, change the view to large icons so you can clearly see all the options. Now select Security and System. When the new window opens, click on System, and on the right side you will see Advanced System Settings, so click on it. A small window will appear. Inside you'll find the Startup and Recovery section. Here click on the Settings button. Now you will see an option called Automatically Restart. This option forces your PC to restart whenever Windows faces a minor error, which is why your computer suddenly restarts without warning. So simply uncheck the box to disable automatic restarts. After that, click on OK. Again, click on OK to save all settings and close every window. Now restart your PC once manually so the changes apply properly. After your system restarts, the sudden restart issue will stop and your PC will start working smoothly without unexpected shutdowns. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.